English literature not just as a course, but as your future, as a passion. If you have flair for the language, if you love to write, if you unveil your imaginations and dream through poetry or any style of writing, if you are concerned about the society and voice opinion, BA English will be the act course. The eligible criteria would require a student to pass is 10 plus 2. BA English course provides you with the platform to dwell deep into communicative skill and professional English, which eventually standardize your overall development. BA English imparts basic knowledge for the English language and literature of different eras and ages. This academic course will train you to understand the distinct features of liberal arts connecting to contemporary literature, post-colonial, British literature, American and Commonwealth literature, conceiving a broader perspective on the subjects with the emphasis in every category. I'm sure that this knowledge you seek will help you to develop an independent and creative thinking process. Communicative skills are indispensable for the success of any profession. English, being a global language, provides a platform to study the best part of linguistics, for which the department gives individual training to all students in language lab. This will help you to identify your strengths and weaknesses. We have good collections of books in our library, thereby you can enjoy a sensible reading. We are proud to say that our student of English had secured third rank in the University of Madras, and even a student have published her book. After your graduation, you can concentrate on preparatory examination. English preparatory examinations are internationally recognized exams that are accepted as trademark by various organizations and academic institutions across the globe. These examinations are gateway for higher education, which paves way for better employment opportunities. English is a must for students across discipline to get a seat at an international acclaimed university. These examinations also require for visa and study purpose on overseas. BA English lays a concrete base for all these examinations. The knowledge you gain through this course will prepare you to take up UPSC and TNPSC examination. The civil service examinations are a national level competitive examination in India. Every year, over 10 lakh aspirants compete for the All India service such as IAS, IPS and IFS. Along with central service, Group A and Group B service are also equally popular across India. English literature plays a dominant role to clear these examinations successfully. Let's probe into the scope of higher studies after completing BA English. The core exploration can be done through MA English. A master's degree in English is often a minimum requirement to teach introductory writing and literature course at college and university. A master in English can also prepare you to teach ESL, that is English as a language, second language. You can even opt for MA Linguistics. Of course, linguistic graduates also go into the jobs where they can use their knowledge and of linguistic directly, such as working as a proofreader or even editors. MA Journalism, this provides you with a range of core journalist skill in addition to technical skills such as video, editing, shorthand, audio, content management, and web design. You have all these major subjects even in BA English course. You can go into other areas for post graduations like MBA or MA Mass Communication, Master in Psychology, Master of Social Work. In fact, I'm happy to inform that you can even continue this course, which is available in our college after your completion of our BA English. When we talk about the job opportunities of these courses are lecturing, anchoring, copywriting, proofreading, newspaper or even magazine editor, or even as a freelance where you can earn money by assisting customer virtually from the comfort of your home. Let me conclude by saying that taking a BA English will enable your communicative skill and professional skill. Students, your current conditions do not reflect your ultimate potentiality, but rather the size and quality of goals upon which you currently are focusing. Hence, dream big, aim high, and think MGC. I wish you all the best. Thank you.